Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Today's lesson is part 2 of your daily 50-sentence series. In this episode, you will learn 50 more simple and powerful English sentences that you can use in daily life. You will practice slow listening, repeat after me, shadowing, mini conversations, pronunciation training, and confidence building. So sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Part 1. Slow listening. Sentences 1 to 50. Listen first. 1. I woke up early today. 2. I'm still a little sleepy. 3. I need some coffee. 4. I'm getting ready now. 5. I'm leaving in a few minutes. 6. I'll call you later. 7. I don't have time right now. 8. I'll do it soon. 9. I'm trying my best. 10. I'm waiting for you. 11. I'm at the bus stop. 12. The bus is coming. 13. I'm already on my way. 14. I'll be there in 5 minutes. 15. I'm almost there. 16. Please wait for me. 17. I'm looking for the place. 18. I can't find it. 19. Send me the location. 20. I found it now. 21. I'm feeling hungry. 22. What should we eat? 23. Let's order something. 24. This looks delicious. 25. I like this food. 26. I'm full now. 27. I need some water. 28. I'll make some tea. 29. Do you want some? 28. Yes, I'd love some. 28. I'm feeling tired. 32. I need a short break. 34. I want to relax. 34. I'm watching something. 35. I'm listening to music. 36. This song is nice. 37. I'm cleaning my room. 38. I'm organizing my things. 39. Everything looks better now. 40. I feel relaxed. 41. What are your plans? 42. I don't have any plans. 43. Let's do something fun. 44. That sounds great. 45. I'm free today. 46. Let's go for a walk. 47. The weather is good. 48. I enjoy spending time outside. 49. Let's do this again. 50. See you tomorrow. Great. Now let's repeat them properly.
Part 2. Repeat after me. Sentences 1 to 50. Repeat clearly and slowly. I woke up early today. I'm still a little sleepy. I need some coffee. I'm getting ready now. I'm leaving in a few minutes. I'll call you later. I don't have time right now. I'll do it soon. I'm trying my best. I'm waiting for you. I'm at the bus stop. The bus is coming. I'm already on my way. I'll be there in 5 minutes. I'm almost there. Please wait for me. I'm looking for the place. I can't find it. Send me the location. I found it now. I'm feeling hungry. What should we eat? Let's order something. This looks delicious. I like this food. I'm full now. I need some water. I'll make some tea. Do you want some? Yes, I'd love some. I'm feeling tired. I need a short break. I want to relax. I'm watching something. I'm listening to music. This song is nice. I'm cleaning my room. I'm organizing my things. Everything looks better now. I feel relaxed. What are your plans? I don't have any plans. Let's do something fun. That sounds great. I'm free today. Let's go for a walk. The weather is good. I enjoy spending time outside. Let's do this again. See you tomorrow. Excellent. Part 3. Many conversations using today's sentences. Conversation 1. Morning. A. Did you wake up early? B. Yes, I woke up early today. A. Do you want some coffee? B. Yes, I need some coffee. Repeat. I woke up early today. I need some coffee. Conversation 2. Meeting outside. A. Where are you? B. I'm at the bus stop. A. Are you coming? B. Yes, I'm already on my way. A. How long will you take? B. I'll be there in 5 minutes. Repeat. I'm already on my way. I'll be there in 5 minutes. Conversation 3. Food. A. What should we eat? B. Let's order something. A. This looks delicious. B. Yes, I like this food. Repeat. What should we eat? This looks delicious. Conversation 4. Relaxing. A. You look tired. B. I need a short break. A. What will you do? B. I'm listening to music. Repeat. I need a short break. I'm listening to music.
Part 4. Shadowing Practice. Speak with me. Follow my rhythm. I woke up early today. I'm getting ready now. I'll be there soon. Please wait for me. Send me the location. I found it now. Let's order something. This looks delicious. I need some water. I'm listening to music. Everything looks better now. I enjoy spending time outside. Let's do this again. See you tomorrow. Great work! Part 5. Pronunciation Boost. Repeat slowly. Early today. On my way. A few minutes. That sounds great. Feeling hungry. I'm full now. Short break. Listening to music. Organizing my things. See you tomorrow. Again. Early today. On my way. A few minutes. That sounds great. Feeling hungry. I'm full now. Short break. Listening to music. Organizing my things. See you tomorrow. Perfect. Part 6. Confidence sentences. Repeat with a strong voice. I am improving every day. My English is getting better. I can speak clearly. I can understand more. I enjoy learning English. I am confident. One more time. I am improving every day. My English is getting better. I can speak clearly. I can understand more. I enjoy learning English. I am confident. You have completed Daily 50 Sentences Part 2. Speak English easily. Practice this lesson again for fluency, confidence, and natural speaking. Thank you for learning with 24/7 Talk English. I'll see you in the next lesson.